In 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's me, Nate-Dogg B.o.B. Swagg. It's Nathan Brian Strunk. And I'm here with another review of how I got my iPod Nano working with plenty of songs on it. All I had to do is lend it to someone at work to put iTunes on it. Here's one of the songs as a test. It's a copyright song, but had to do it. I'll put it in notations. These Fall Out Boy songs. I'll let you listen to one, y'all. Alright, here it is, right now. Believers never die.
I messed up, dropping, I'm sorry, like you're still around. And I know you're dressed up. Hey kid, you'll never live this down.
That one was called A Little Less 16 Candles. And the other title of the song is called A Little Bit More Touch Me by Fall Out Boy. Here's my other favorite song, y'all, though. Hit it. Here we go, y'all. This is my other jam, baby. Hear it? There it is. Right now.
I am an arms dealer, fitting you with weapons in the form of words. And don't really care which side you win. As long as the room keeps singing, that's just the business I'm in.
And that was the test. That was the Bluetooth test, sound test. Sorry, and uncopywriting and notations. I'll put the end notations down below so you guys don't get confused what I'm saying. But yeah, those are the two songs I'm sound testing, not taste testing. What the fuck am I saying? Anyway, that was all for this interview. Sorry I can't talk right today. I've been through one hell of a week. But yeah, that wraps up this other this interview or review, whatever the hell it was. Sorry, I'm kind of mad. Can't talk right today. Or tonight. But I hope you guys enjoyed anyway. So don't forget to subscribe, like, by liking that like button, by mashing it, as well as leaving a positive comment, as well as rating in a positive way. Thank you, and I'll also see you in the next video. Thank you. Alright, see ya. Okay? Thanks. Okay, good job. Alright, bye. Peace.